4 types of learning styles for various students. There are different types of students who follow different types of learning styles. Type 1 number visual learners. This type is for students who learn through visuals. These students learn through visual modes such as pictures, images, etc. Type 2 number auditory learners. Auditory learners tend to learn better through sound. These students learn through audio and video lectures. Type 3 number kinesthetic learners. Kinesthetic learners are also known as tactile learner. These people learn through experiences or by doing things. Type 4 number reading writing learners. The fourth is the most common type in which students learn through reading and writing. Thanks for watching the video. For more, www.homeworkminutes.com